So let's start differentiation PYQs. So take the question. If x power y minus y power x is equal to a power b, then find dy by dx. So over here you have x power y and here y power x. Both are functions. Base is also a function, power is also a function. So in that case, how can we do? Directly we cannot apply log on both sides, okay? So first let us assume let u is equal to x power y and v is equal to y power x. So now taking log on both sides. So if you take log on both sides, you get log u is equal to log x power y. So log u is equal to, we apply laws of logarithms. Log a power m is m log a. So we can write this as y log x. Now we differentiate with respect to x. So log u derivative is 1 by u because we are differentiating a function of u with respect to x. We write du by dx. That is equal to, now we apply uv rule to the LHS, to the RHS. So first function is y, we write as it is. Second, what is uv rule? uv derivative is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Now we need to apply over here. So first function we are writing as it is. Second function we are differentiating. Plus second function we are writing as it is. First function we are differentiating. So you get dy by dx. Okay. So now here you get, if I take u that side, we get du by dx is equal to u into y by x plus log x dy by dx. So now again I replace u with x power y. So I get x power y into y by x plus log x dy by dx. This is du by dx we got. Now we will consider v is equal to y power x. And if I take log on both sides, we get log v is equal to log y power x. So log v is equal to x log y. Now differentiating with respect to x. So log v derivative is 1 by v dv by dx. Now here again we apply uv rule. X I write as it is. Log y I differentiate. So 1 by y dy by dx. Minus log y as it is, derivative of x is 1. So that is x by y dy by dx minus log y. This is the value of 1 by v dv by dx. So if you take 1 by v to the other side, what do you get? dv by dx equals to v into x by y dy by dx minus log y. Now what is v we have taken? Y power x. So that is y power x into x by y dy by dx minus log y. So this is the value of dv by dx. But what is the given expression? X power y minus y power x is a power b. So we have taken it as u and v. So u minus v equals to a power b. Now differentiating with respect to x. So you get du by dx minus dv by dx is equal to, right hand side is a constant. So derivative of a constant is 0. Now you substitute du by dx value. What is du by dx? X power y into y by x minus y by x plus log x dy by dx minus, now we substitute dv by dx, y power x into x by y dy by dx minus log y. Now we take that is equal to 0. Now we take the second term to the right hand side. So we get x power y into y by x plus log x dy by dx equals to y power x into x by y dy by dx minus log y. So now let's multiply this into this into this. So x power y by x will become y x power y minus 1. Did you understand this? Why I am writing as it is, x power y by x becomes x power y minus 1 plus x power y log x dy by dx equals, now we multiply these two. So x I am writing as it is, y power x by y becomes y power x minus 1 dy by dx minus log y. Now we take this dy by dx term to the left hand side and we bring this term to the right hand side. So you get x power y log x minus x power x into y power x minus 1 into dy by dx equals to minus log y minus y x power y minus 1. So if I take minus common throughout, we will get x y power x minus 1 minus x power y log x dy by dx equals, now because we are taking minus common, both the terms will become positive. So we get log y plus y x power y minus 1. Now if you want to find out dy by dx, we take this left hand side bracket to the right hand side. So it becomes, now I am just arranging these terms. So y x power y minus 1 plus log y by x y power x minus 1 minus x power y log x. This is the answer for dy by dx. Now see, take this question. This is another question. If sin x power y is equal to x plus y, then find dy by dx. So first we will write the given equation. Sin x whole power y equals x plus y. So whenever you have base also a function and power also a function, we take log on both sides. So taking logarithms on both sides. So you get log sin x power y equals to log x plus y. Now left hand side you can write it as y log sin x because it is in the form log a power m. That is m log a. And right hand side you cannot separate it. So let us write as it is. You cannot separate it. Log x plus y, you cannot write log x plus log y. Okay, so we are not disturbing it. Now we differentiate with respect to x. See, if you have log x into y, then you can write log x plus log y. But if you have log x plus y, then you cannot change it. You have to keep it as it is. Okay. So differentiating with respect to x. So left hand side you can see y is one function, log sin x is another function. So we need to apply UV rule. So first function we write as it is. Second function we differentiate. So log of sin x is 1 by sin x. And then again we need to differentiate sin x. That is cos x. Plus. Now second function we write as it is. First function we differentiate. So derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now coming to the right hand side. Derivative of log x plus y is 1 by x plus y. Then again differentiating x plus y. So x derivative is 1 and y derivative is dy by dx. Now this is y cos x by sin x is cot x plus log sin x dy by dx equals to, now let us multiply this into this into this. So you get 1 by x plus y plus 1 by x plus y dy by dx. Now we'll take both dy by dx to one side and non-dy by dx to the other side. So I'm taking this term to the left-hand side and y cot x I'm taking to the right-hand side. So we get log sin x minus 1 by x plus y into dy by dx equals to 1 by x plus y minus y cot x. So if I take this bracket to the right hand side, we get, or else let's take LCM first. So you can cancel x plus y and x plus y. So you get x plus y into log sin x minus 1 dy by dx. Over here you get by x plus y equals to 1 minus x plus y into y cot x by x plus y. X plus y cancel. So we get dy by dx equals to 1 minus x plus y into y cot x by x plus y into log sin x minus 1. This is the final answer. Now take this question, differentiate sin x power x plus sin inverse root x with respect to x. So first let us take y is equal to sin x power x plus sin inverse of root x. Okay. Now let us take u is equal to sin x power x and v is equal to sin inverse of root x. Now taking log on both sides. So you get log u is equal to log sin x whole power x. So that is x log sin x. Now differentiating with respect to x. So you got 1 by u du by dx. Now again we can apply UV rule. X is one function, log sin x is another function. So x I write as it is, differentiating log sin x. So that is 1 by sin x. Then sin x derivative is cos x plus. Now we write the second function as it is, differentiating the first one. So that is, if I want to find du by dx, that is u into x by sin x. Wait a minute. Yeah, I can write it as cos by sin as cot. So I can write it as x cot x plus log sin x. Now du by dx equals, in the place of u, I can write sin x power x into x cot x plus log sin x. Now let's take v. Let v equal sin inverse root x. Now directly differentiating, we need not take logarithm here. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x. So we get dv by dx equals to sin inverse root x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. So 1 by root 1 minus, in the place of x you have root x. So root x square will become x. Now again root x derivative. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. So that is 1 by 2 root over x into 1 minus x. This is dv by dx. So how to find out dy by dx? We get du by dx plus dv by dx. So we need to substitute du by dx and dv by dx values over here. So I'm continuing over here. dy by dx equals to sin x whole power x into x cot x plus log sin x plus 1 by 2 root over x into 1 minus x. This is the final answer. So take the next question. If xy equals e power x minus y, then show that dy by dx equals y into x minus 1 by x into y plus 1. So first let us write down what is given to us. Given xy equals e power x minus y. Now taking log on both sides. So you get log xy equals to log e power x minus y. So log e power x minus y can also be written as x minus y. Simply x minus y. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x. So here, see, log xy, we can also write it as log x plus log y. So I'm changing this statement. Log x plus log y equals to x minus y. Now differentiating with respect to x. So log x derivative is 1 by x plus log y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx equals to x derivative is 1 minus y derivative is dy by dx. Now I take this dy by dx to the other side and I take this 1 by x this side. So we get 1 by y dy by dx plus dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. So if I take dy by dx common, we get 1 by y plus 1 into dy by dx. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. So if I take LCM, we get 1 plus y by y dy by dx. And if I take LCM over here, we get x minus 1 by x. Now if I take this bracket to the other side, we get dy by dx equals x minus 1 by x into y by 1 plus y. It becomes reciprocal. Now dy by dx, I can write it as y into x minus 1 by x into y plus 1. Hence proved. So let's take this next question. If y equals to cos x power x plus sine inverse root 3x, then find dy by dx. So what is given to us? Y equals cos x whole power x plus sine inverse root 3x. Now let us take u equals cos x whole power x and v equals sine inverse root 3x. So take log on both sides. So you get log u equals log cos x power x. So log u equals x log cos x. Now differentiating with respect to x. So 1 by u du by dx equals, right hand side we apply uv rule. So x into derivative of log cos x is 1 by cos x. Then derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Plus log cos x I am writing as it is, x we are differentiating. So du by dx is equal to, if I take 1 by u to the other side, it becomes u into minus x tan x plus log cos x. That is equal to u I am replacing with cos x power x into minus x tan x plus log cos x. This is du by dx. Now let us take v equals sine inverse root 3x. So directly differentiating. So we get dv by dx equals sine inverse x derivative is 1 by root 1 minus x square. But in the place of x, you have root 3x. So it will become 1 by root 1 minus 3x. Now differentiating root 3x. So it will become 1 by 2 root 3x. Now again differentiating 3x. So you get 3. So that is 3 by 2 into 1 by root over 3x into 1 minus 3x. This is dv by dx. Now we will take the given expression, that is y equals to u plus v. If I differentiate, we get dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now we need to substitute the values which we have done. So that is equal to du by dx is cos x power x into minus x tan x plus log cos x plus what is dv by dx? 3 by 2 root over 3x into 1 minus 3x. This is the final answer.